Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't stop myself from doing that. So I figured for this video today that I would go ahead and use a palette that I really haven't got to play with very much, and I'm pretty pumped to try it out. So this is the Tartelette Toasted palette. This is what it looks like. These colors are just, can I get it into the frame? Yes. These colors are just fantastic. So I am really pumped to give this baby a whirl. Yeah, what? I'm speaking kind of futuristically. Clearly I've already created the look. Spoiler alert, it's amazing. Yeah. So this is the palette that we are playing with today. I hope that you guys like this look. If you want to see exactly how I achieved it, then just stick around, keep watching, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so that you don't have to worry about forgetting before you go. So I'll give you a minute. You should? Okay, awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this party started. That was probably way too loud. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we're taking the first shade in this palette, and it is called S'more. I just like to use shades like this to just kind of go over my entire eyelid to give me a nice even base. Then using the next shade below that, it is Cashmere. Using the exact same fluffy blending brush, I'm going to focus this in the crease area, a little bit more on the outer corner, but still taking it all the way through the crease as well. Just make sure you blend this out really, really well and get yourself a nice, even transition area. Okay, moving on. So the next shade we're using is Warmth. You can see that I grabbed a smaller, a little bit more tightly packed fluffy blending brush, and I am still focusing in the crease area just a little bit further down and still focusing in the outer corner. Grabbing the shade Cozy on an even smaller brush. So this one is going to help me really focus in that crease area, really darken it up, and to help bring a little bit more life to that outer corner area. This is kind of where the smokiness comes into play. Yeah. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Anyway, so we're just going to take that big fluffy blending brush from the beginning without any extra product and blend it all together. Next shade I'm taking is Fireside, and I'm sticking with that same little blending brush that we used before to do pretty much the exact same thing. Darken up the crease area, darken up the outer corner, and really give this look a little bit more vibrancy, a little bit more color, and a little bit more sultriness. I'm joking. But it does look nice. Very simple though. And same thing, blend it all out. So going back in with the first shade S'more that we used. Oh Christ, I just put all that in my eyebrow. Fantastic. Anyway, so we're putting that underneath the brow bone to really give that a nice highlight. And then taking the shade right next to it called Sunrise, we're going to do the exact same thing. Give that brow bone a little bit more highlight. And I don't know if you see me do this, but I do put it in the inner corner of my eye as well. Next shade that we are using is Candle, and I am using a brush similar to the one that we used to highlight the brow bone and put that all over the lid. Now I didn't use any type of Fix Plus or anything to give it any more vibrancy. I kind of liked the subtle shimmer effect. So yeah, so we're going to stick with that. And then I just used the same brush as before to darken up the crease again since I kind of went over it. Using the Slotty London AM to PM liner, I am just giving a base for this cat eyeliner that we're going to use. This is the Galactic felt tip liner. I'll be real, I hate this liner, but it was running low and I just kind of wanted to use it. I have a thing where I can't get rid of makeup if it still has like a good amount of product left in it, or any product left in it. So you see me struggling here to get the pigment down, but I assure you I got rid of this biatch after this. So yeah. So here we are curling my lashes, prepping them for falsies. The mascara that I use, I think I also threw away after this, but mainly because the entire tube was literally empty. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Guys, love this mascara. It is amazing. And I'm dancing around with my little falsie lashes. Guys, lash pro tip. Put a smidge down on your inner corner, and I swear to God, that inner corner will never plop off again. Major pro tip. Key. Whatever the hell DJ Khaled calls those, you know, like life hack for lashes. So yeah, just placing these babies on there. I use tweezers. I can't use my fingers. I'm finger challenged. That sounded really sexual. I'm sorry, but we're just talking about lashes, people. I have to use tweezers. And I get a different type of tweezers to place it on the inner corner because those ones are hella sharp and I don't want to accidentally stab my eyeball. So, yay! Lashes are on. One eyeball's done. So let me quickly do the rest of the face and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, that is it for this completed look. I hope that you enjoy it. It's just super simple. I really love this palette so much, so if you were maybe considering trying this palette out or maybe spending your money on it, I think it's definitely a good palette to have. This is the look that I created. It's just a very simple, easy like half smoky eye because I didn't put anything underneath of my eyes. I've been doing that a lot lately just because I feel like I don't want to rock a full smoky eye all the time, so this is just kind of like a more daytime appropriate version, if you will. I just put it with a bold lip and I think it just really makes the whole look pop. So I hope that you guys like it. Alright, thanks so much for watching guys. Please don't subscribe. What? No, please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Whoa. No wonder I don't have any subscribers. Have I been saying that this whole time? Please don't forget to subscribe before you guys go. I will link all my socials down below. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!